Right. Yeah, mama kwaba about okay construction for share. Na and then no yeah, be bon komo kakra afa roofing ho. Into the part 2 roofing video edi kan here in the part 2 here. This particular video no yeah be man the breakdown and the detail followed by ABI use how do you call it illustrations ahro and a diagram ahro and I say you be kan here design na kasa both the 2D and a 3D no na aboa ma yetumi ate ade na ase ankasa. All right, so say yefa we say design na and as be kind of design on how do you call it roofing. This is the roofing structure, you know. Yes, say ebia ye detailed about a roofing say na ye be ye no and I say drawing so we drawing mu a say na tie. Nti ne bema yate asem na say ene say wo hwe drawing na it's a roofing it's a roofing on the part and a half so wo hwe roofing na say ya chemu no the half say ene tie. Nti then na nane ye pese ye ka ho asem the previous video ni no you know on say you can say first and as a material edi kan roofing mu no so wo hwe from afar and say from outside we be the ridge cap into ridge no enemy. This also the arrow leading from this particular area no indicated the ridge cap into ridge cap no enemy. Pembebre no can video back on say the cover baby to roofing sheet no adjoin is an issue to me from. All right, into so after the ridge cap no after we have the roofing akasa. Now this particular design no you use aloe zinc roofing sheet. Aloe zinc roofing sheet it will be a roofing type be a person we use to be and it will depend on the architect now be adwuma no na be ma details and also the preferred materials are also say okay. Then after that you have your rafters so you can say 50 by 150 no and no any how do you call it 2 by 6 and the 2 by 6 so what emra you throw 50 by 150 no rafters 50 by 150 rafters no at 120 near extra nkasa ne say the distance between the 2 by 6 no and a 120 the meaning is 120 no in feet no a 4 feet into 2 by 6 bia no the distance na ewo emu no 4 feet and a palings no eno enso enie enti so hwe palings no so ye 2 by 6 ni wi a ye de nnua bi egugu so nnua na ye de gugu so no so hwe we a 50 by 75 palings ye di kan say wo metric mu no anase millimeters mu no 25 millimeters 1 inch 25 millimeters 1 inch into near trankasa ne say this particular area no and I say 50 na wa ha say near 2 inches and a 75 no say o multiply 25 by 3 obenya 75 meaning say 3 inches into 2 by 3 inches board and as a wood and a palings no and under the distance now the distance no is around 3 feet. It's around 3 feet. Though 3.5 feet. 3.5 feet. Ninti I can say 3.5 feet. And say 300. 100 and 300. How do you call it? 1 foot. 300 1 foot. It is a 300 1 footer. Near Trankasa and say 300 times 3 and I be my 900 plus 150 which is 6 inches and automatically no you benya 1050 and then the distance between each palings be and endu 4 feet. Yes ninti a it is an say oh the roofing sheet nankasa no the tin normally the standard roofing sheet this use long span but the normal standard size and as a length for each roofing biara no how do you call it, 8 feet. 8 feet, not just say it's around 2,400. Yes, it is a 2,400. Near Trankasa and say our millimeters man as a metric moon make a 2,400. And what the use feet in the same by better point in us. Nti we no 3.5 feet. The intent is an say na overlap bia either roofing sheet no so no. Aha, overlap no enye no so pepepe na obebo nails no. Say oya no 4 feet pepe, so oya palings no 4 feet pepe. No just overlap no so na obebo nails no. Which and say balance say overlap no free from the nails. I hope say near make kan yate here. Carpenters no the omete ne ye kan ase ankasa. Nti we na ye the palings no ne ye di gu edan no so eno ne obos 2x6 ni wi an ya na ye the cross mu no eno ne ye friend palings na ye ka say this the least size obetumi e de aye adwuma no sse eye 500 by 50, sorry, 50 by 75, meaning say 2x3 and all the bare palings no na woods no so no say it's not say roofing no, it should be hardwood and then we can't specify, but obia na betumi actually the particular wood also say a hardwood e no na ho den so e betumi, but the sizes and I say the flat surfaces media as I say utumi nya 75 per at least 3 feet 3 inches per so when you 4 inches come up but I know beyond the benyan 4 inches nti ebia onya 3 inches fine pa se ne beboa ama edan no etumi ayedin nti ye can say 2x6 no distance no 4 feet and a palings no distance no 3.5 feet and no architect or yes our design way the space the details are other my than it could be say ABI dino definitely onim edan no nti no onim se ne oye na ebeboa nti the details no yes and afei the wooden ridge board and also a mu in the previous video and no most of the time what it really does is a combine a joining the two if it's a rafters no send a man FM na in top form. All right, and the wooden 100 by 100 wooden hangers, 100 by 100 wooden hangers. Once you can say 3 feet 3 inches 75, and they say 3 inches 75 meaning say 100 and every saying every 4 inches. I didn't know hangers, wooden hangers use 4 inches. Wooden hangers architect use 4 inches. Yes. What previous video near can say wooden hangers and on a supported ridge and as a supported rafters which is the 2x6 and then a supported 2x6 send emu MBA and as a end form. And then will be on a mobile say I say ne top on a pump sink like emu aqua and flat view. The problem is wooden hangers no more use near one. It is a week pair automatic the parts now support a betu. And intina architect can say use 100 by 100. Near Chankasa say will be use 4x4. Until we know imponent 2x4, but you are using 4x4. Send a bear solid. A bit to me as mind you. Sign we are way so and your count previous video says will be person ye juma was ceiling so this particular hangers and a supported a dying of send a bear emanate for. Then after you see either T&J ceiling and I say plywood ceiling and I say POP ceiling and I say whatever and on a bar as ceiling. It will depend on the type of ceiling or person using the architect more specific measurement for this particular area. All right, and it's oba ahase the same thing I can once na the partner na sign our hase but with a little bit different how do you call it details. Nti osan wo alu zinc and a top afi 2x6 rafters and so and na issue wa hase yes this particular area and then issue wa ha and 2x3 purlins near roofing sheet no beda so ankasa no eno nso na issue wa hasi eno. Then you have your 70 by 100 wall plate. 70 by 100 wall plate. Yes, nti eno nso na issue wa hasi eno. Yes. Nti we ene ne part anase ne section no sectional view no ne part no na ye describe ye chechemu ewa ahasi eno. Then you have your anchorage. Then you have your anchorage and also an issue wahasi and then you have your fascia board and the fascia board no and the fascia board no and no any yansha no so pa fascia board no and after ceiling no so and wahasi and this is the your friend is saying sectional view for this particular roofing type. You describe it or the first video and we are using this diagram and answer this particular design to explain it much further for us to understand how to go about roofing, especially when we are trying to do the right thing for our clients. Yes, and as I say, you go by the exact details. It shouldn't be less figures ahoro ya mention wa hase anase nsɛm ahoro ya ka wa hase ni nyina sɛ wopɛ sɛ wusi dan wopɛ sɛ woyɛ roofing ya na materials ahoro a wobɛyi so wa hase no way the standard. It shouldn't be less. Sɛ less pɛ you could easily have some challenges, especially say ɛdan no ɛbɛsen emu bebu anase roofing no ɛbɛtɔ fam. Yes, nti yɛnkɔhwɛ the 3D parts na yene eno nso mwa mente ade na se ankasa. Enti se oba ha se a yemfa ne se roofing no eno na yaye wo ha se eno. City roofing no na yaye no wo ha eno. All right, so what we are discussing eno nie. Enti roofing no eno na what top ha se no. Yes, into roofing sheet, and let's assume say roofing sheet eno nie. Let's assume say roofing sheet eno nie. All right. Yama roofing, and let's see if we can get yes. And I say, you need to this roof, just for tutorial sake, and I say for educational sake, we won't add much details. Since you have a roofing, and need roofing in the all right, and roofing carcass no and say roofing structure no and so any so roofing structure now we have the 2x6 and 2x6 in this particular one no and a 2x6 until we and a 2x6 then we have our 2x6 until we saying the distance between eba hasi and you can't want them say it shouldn't be more than 4 feet. It shouldn't be more than 4 feet. Say your legs are fine. I know the person money is strong part. Say your legs are fine, but it shouldn't be more than 4 feet. And the distance between this particular 2x6 to this particular 2x6 should be not more than 4 inches. 4 feet. Sorry, into 4 feet between them or not 4 feet. And say your baha says this one's and also we this particular one we the purlins the purlins no eno ni enti we na ye de to 2x6 no eso the purlins ni and also you can say the distance shouldn't be less than your is saying and I say more than 3.5 feet. It shouldn't be more than 3.5 feet. It could be less, but the best measurement should be at least 3.5 feet. Send a roofing sheet so what the to so we use the standard roofing sheet 8 feet now. What the to so this answer 3.5 feet see. 6 inches na be feet so and then a baby a roofing sheet me no daso and say ubo nail wo baby 2 roofing sheets daso and say ubo 2 roofing sheets a boom. As I say, we be a separate. Send a beboa emma leakage all right, and also you can say distance shouldn't be more than how do you call it 3.5 feet. And I say no yes into when no one how do you call it yes. Into ceiling, yes, into ceiling, and ɛwɔ hɔnom ɛno. Mamimbi working view. All right. So into ceiling, ceiling joist ɛno ɛna ɛwɔ ha. Into ceiling joints ahorow no ɛna ɛwɔ ha. Into ceiling joist ɛno ɛnie. Into wɔyɛ ceiling joist nea ɛwɔ wall ne ho ɛna the middle one ɛna ɛno no ebe depend ade a ceiling ko a pɛ sɛ ɔbɔ sɛ plywood a yɛnim sɛ plywood no carpenters for no nim sɛ na mobɔ no tɔda a ɔmo kyɛ maybe a 3.5 anaasɛ 4 pɛpɛɛpɛ ɔmo yɛ no 4 pɛpɛɛpɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a 4 feet sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ so ɔmo bɔ joint na ɔmo de to so a ɛbɛkɔ akɔda so pɛpɛɛpɛ anaasɛ how anyhow wɔn pɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ no biara no they understand that particular thing sɛ ɛyɛ pop nso a ɛno nso ɔmo wɔ sɛnea ɔmo bɔ no ɛno sɛ sɛ ɔma woods no ɛyɛ close paa sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛboa ɛma how do you call it wogyina so a ɛntɔ fam the same thing as ɔbɛyɛ so T&J ceiling nso a ɛno sɛ sɛ ɔma ceiling joist no emu close paa sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛno nso gyina so a ɔntɔ fam but sɛ woyɛ so plywood deɛ ɛsan sɛ plywood no nso ɛyɛ 4x8 ɛnti no normally no ɔmo kyɛm sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a roof wode plywood ne to so a ɛbɛkɔ akɔda 8 no so pɛpɛɛpɛ anaasɛ 4 no so pɛpɛɛpɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ no anaasɛ ɔmo bɛbɔ no wɔ 2x2 na ɔmo de ayɛ ceiling joist no mfimfini pɛpɛɛpɛ na aka si ani nti ɛno nso ɔmo wɔ ways a ɔmo de bɔ no nti ɛno nso ɛna ɛwɔ ha sei no ɛna yɛn fascia board ɛno nso ni ɛna yɛ ceiling assuming sɛ yɛ ceiling nso ɛni nti this how a roofing sheets anaasɛ roofing ankasa yɛyɛ no nti mɛma obi nnaada nka nkyɛw so yɛsu 2x2 de yɛ purlins na ɛbɛyɛ yie 2x2 no yɛde yɛ winko a ɛna yɛde yɛ ɛna wooden hangers na yɛyɛ no yes yɛka ho asɛm nti wooden hangers no ɛno nie so wɔn a yɛde abɔ ahase ɛna yɛde asɔ 2x6 ni ahanso saa yɛabɔ ɛna yɛde ato ceiling yɛde asɔ yɛyɛ way no because for educational purpose mpɛn bebree roofings ni bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo ni saa wall we they don't have this wall until what happens ni sɛ ɔde bɛsi wall no yɛmfa ne sɛ wall no yɛ half a ɛsɛ sɛ ɔde si wall we so na aboa ama ɛdan no etumi arrest ɛwɔ wall no so anaasɛ wooden hanger ɛno so ankasa nti this is how a roofing ankasa no ɛsɛ sɛ wohwɛ ɛma wo carpenter ɔyɛ wɔ adwuma no ɛyɛ roofing no so wohwɛ difference bi wɔ ha sei wohwɛ outside ceiling no ɛne inside ceiling na asɛ inside ceiling no wɔ soro kakra sen outside ceiling no adenti ne te saa once a roofing no because of say slant slope wo mu nti no aha sei no ɛbɛwɔ soro na ha nso awɔ fam because aha slope no wɔ fam sen aha sei roofing no nti ɛno na ɛyɛ the technicalities are ɛwɔ nti carpenters in there they understand but our concern is the type of materials are use to a dime. Our much concern is on the materials and not the measurements are raw or the that one there. I know that to depend on the carpenter, but the materials, and how SSA roofing and way a gable roofing, but same procedure can be used for hip roofing and same time for your friend is saying secret roofing. Secret roofing, the only problem I say. Ebia fascia board we ebia na fascia board number because most of secret roofing they the shed down there won't be a need for you to get this secret roofing but say they are one more year no more ja a dynamic need still you need the fascia board for that particular area and so say construction methods for roofing etiankasa and we hope say with this particular education you try to go by it and help your artisans, especially the carpenters that work for you, to go by the exact directions and also say yes same directions but you should see to it say they are doing the right thing. So we meet again same time and thanks for watching. Ochidi say the dokoswa I like it na ya share the ama foforo na won so ababeka team no ɛho. Yɛda mo ase. Bye bye.